Okay, this video is showing you how to record and upload your voice recordings for Open House. So the first thing you want to do is you need to go to the website, which is the onlinevoicerecorder.com. When you open it, it will show a puzzle piece, and you just need to click the puzzle piece until it says allow, and any kind of button that says allow, you need to make sure and click allow. When you're ready to record, you're going to go ahead and press the red record button, and you also have to press allow on the microphone. As soon as you press this green button, it's going to start recording. Welcome to Open House. This area of the desk is where I sit. Currently on my desk, there is work that I'm proud of, such as my Shiloh epilogue, which was when we wrote the ending of the novel. All right, I am done recording, so I clicked the end button. Now you're going to save and download. So go ahead and click save, and it will now save. Now it's saved, but I need to click it again, and this time I'm going to download it, and it's going to save in my download. So I'm just going to click save. Now I need to find the link for my recording. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to upload from my computer. This might look a little differently than yours. And once you find the file, click on it, and it is now in my drive. So I'm going to open it, and you can see this is the file, and above, this is the link for the files. I'm going to press Control, copy, and I'm going to go back to the Open House doc, and I'm going to find my name, and I'm going to press Control, paste. And now when I click on that link, it is going to go ahead and open my voice recording. It should. So hopefully that helps you figure out how to do this yourself.